Welcome back, my dummy thick minions. So I found another beautifully titled video called One Direction dash quotation mark oh no Niall exclamation point quotation mark humor. So I was just gonna watch this on my own, but I think it would be very wonderful if whoever the is watching this beautifully crafted video can watch it with me. Wait, did that just say your favorite boy band? I need to kind of. Sorry, guys. Wait, what the hell? Wait, this already brought me to some interesting places. Macklemore, what? Okay, if the subtitles are freaking retarded, but it said if I was a girl, I'd probably date Liam. That's what Harry said. Just to let you guys know. Niall said Louis. Wow, the people really like this gay fucktard over here. I don't know what he got, but I mean, what I know about Lewis is he was him and some random chick had a baby together, and then he left her for some pretty model. So you know what, wonderful, amazing guy. Yeah, left the girl that he had a child with for some model. Freaking dumb. So that's all I know about Lewis, and he's possibly dating Harry, I guess. Zayn is a frickin' savage. He said, I would date none of you, could none of you pick me. Niall starts clapping like he's frickin' retarded, and Lewis just laughs. Okay, Niall just harassed Zayn. If you guys didn't see that, the one in a lifetime. Louis is the naughtiest. No, he isn't. I guess kind of naughty. I mean, having a child with a woman and then leaving that woman for the model, that's pretty fucking bad. Okay, Lewis, don't say I reckon like 80 freaking times. Like, look right here, the subtitle. I reckon. You can only say it once. Like, do you have a disability, Liam? Like, you don't have to say I reckon. You could just say I reckon. Like, what the hell? And the naughtiest is the one that gets away with it. Yeah, the internet really let him go easy when he left a girl that he had a child with for some model. Why does Niall act like he has a mental disability? I just want to know, like, does he actually have a mental disability? Like, I want to know. Not Tyler frickin' Oakley or Ellen DeGeneres. I honestly can't tell. Oh, that's Tyler. That's Tyler. Wait, what? He just said, what's your middle name? And Niall responded with Beyonce. It's sad that I know the answer to this, but Niall Horan's middle name is sadly James, not Beyonce. I cannot believe I know that. But I very much wish that his name was Niall Beyonce Horan. Sounds better. One said their middle name was Organic. Who the fuck said that? Probably this little lizard boy over here. Don't eat Yellowstone. Yeah, I won't. And zooming up on Zayton, he's like, oh yeah, I like eating Niall's Yellowstone, only if it's Niall's piss. You know, that's always lovely. Very snackable. His yellow piss everywhere. Yeah. I really like eating his piss. I really like eating his yellow snow. Oh, I've seen that. Just Niall or this ugly ferret of a human being. So it's just this ugly ferret of a human being, possibly fucking retarded, saying a disaster. You're a fucking disaster if you're talking about yourself. Like, I've seen this haircut before. I think it's Movie Star Planet is where I've seen this. Yeah, you look like a freaking fuckboy from Movie Star Planet, just to let you know that, Niall. Very excellent. Why did he look like he hates everyone and everything? Every time I see Niall doing something, I swear he drunk or high. I don't know which one, but it concerns me. He's always like, yeah, here, I'm not horny. I'm gonna go do cocaine after this. Like, what the hell? That face! Your fucking arm! Get your fucking arm out of my face! That face! Keep missing it. Harry needs to take a shit. Lizard Boy doesn't fucking care. I'm not even gonna describe him. Okay, just imagine if you were driving by this car, not realizing that it would One Direction, I'd get that license plate and call the police. That's what I'd do. I mean, if I didn't know that it was One Direction, I didn't know that they were messing around, I'd call the police, pretty much. Just for my safety. My wife and children are scared. Why a thrift shop keep playing? Wait! Wait, that was lovely. One of them said, I think I'm touching Niall's ass. Wait, what? Beautiful fucking lyric. I need to see that again. Best, and then the rest. Wait, where the fuck did that come out of? Like, they were just, I think I'm touching Niall's ass. Like, I wasn't expecting that. And I think Lewis would very much enjoy touching Niall's ass if he is the one who said that. I think they all would, honestly. Oh, and Harry's hair is always greasy. That was from a parody I watched on Twitter. They said my hair never looked so greasy, and Harry's like, "Oh yeah, I like Niall's ass." I mean, that's why I'm basically looking at his guitar. I'm like, "Let me show that guitar of your ass." This is interesting. This is a fun experience. What did Niall? Don't look at Lewis like that. And what the fuck is wrong with his face? And why did Niall have a strange obsession with dinosaurs now? Don't harass Lewis like that. Please don't. Oh, why? No! Oh boy, that was some gay shit right there. Yeah. Neither would I. I mean, if Harry Styles and I were in a car and he just randomly leaned over and kissed me, I'd probably pepper spray his ass and roll out of that car. That's me when somebody asks me a question about Taylor Swift. Did you guys see that? And people say One Direction don't wear makeup until you just saw that right there. Why did he look like a drugged out 80-year-old Shawn Mendes? Yeah, Harry would have some advice for Finn. Act hot at all times. Treat yourself like a Musical.ly boy. Wear perfume, lots. Wear a lot of makeup. And sing lyrics like, "You're insecure, don't know what for. When you flip your hair, you're hot as fuck." I don't know the lyrics. Preteen girl doesn't know lyric to One Direction song. Read more. Okay. Okay, I've seen more retarded shit online, but that ranks up there pretty hard. So, I guess I'll try to find another video. Okay, this is called One Direction lying for 4 minutes straight. Ew, close. Wait, US, do you talk to Harry Styles? Okay, that's dumb. Oh yeah, Kyle. That is lovely. Oh wow, they just called 5 stars disgusting. Niall, have you ever looked at yourself? Really? You're calling 5 stars disgusting? Okay then. Let's get 5 stars. Okay, Zayn is too pretty to be straight. Now that you're playing, why the fuck you lying? Can you not zoom up on Lewis Tomlinson's face like that? I think I'm gonna end the video here just for all of our mental health, and goodbye.